Out of Waco is interfering with the Texas Senate race. Republican lawmakers have been demanding answers from Attorney General Ken Paxton after his office made a, quote, incomprehensible plea deal with lawyer Adam Hoffman. And tonight, 6 News reporter Juliana Jackson shows us how Democrats are making the most of this controversy. Juliana.
Bailey, former Waco attorney Adam Dean Hoffman was released from the McLennan County Jail earlier this week after serving less than 30 days of his original 60-day sentence for sex crimes against children. Now that case is making its way into political ads targeting Paxton's Senate campaign. Democrat James Talarico taking aim at Republican Ken Paxton online, posting that Paxton, quote, gave an Epstein-style deal to a pedophile. This comes after the Texas Attorney General's office handling of the prosecution of former Waco attorney Adam Dean Hoffman, who pleaded guilty to reduced misdemeanor charges in a case that originally involved continuous sexual abuse of a child.
A political lens makes this a very important campaign opportunity for James Talarico. As a legal matter, it's more complicated.
Cal Gilson, a political professor, says the Hoffman case could now become a liability for Paxton.
As a law and order candidate for more than a decade as Attorney General, and when his office fails to close on an important case, an emotional case like this, it's going to cost him.
Hoffman served less than 30 days of his 60-day sentence in jail. He's also not required to register as a sex offender, part of the deal that the Attorney General's office gave him.
We, as protectors of Texans, have to stand up and fight for.
Republican State Representative Pat Curry, who's been outspoken against Paxton, telling 6 News his office will continue working on legislation to address the problems this case has exposed.
We just sent a Texas-sized message to Washington.
Paxton won the Republican primary with the backing of President Donald Trump.
Corrupt politician in America just became the Republican nominee.
While Talarico has emerged as a high-profile Democratic challenger.
I have a fascinating campaign, and it's not just Texas that's fascinated by it, it's the nation and beyond.
Will definitely be a race to watch. We asked Paxton about this case and Talarico's comments, and he hasn't responded. As for Adam Dean Hoffman, the Texas State Bar tells 6 News he hasn't yet surrendered his law license, even though a court has ordered him to do so. The bar says it sent Hoffman all the paperwork while he was in jail and again after his recent release, and he acknowledged receiving it.